If you have suddenly experienced the hang problem on Google Pixel 11, in order to solve this, you can perform forced restart of the device. And in order to do that, you just have to press and hold the power button and the volume up button. So use these two buttons and hold them at the same time for approximately 10 seconds. So I'm just gonna do that. And of course, you might see the power menu in the meantime, but that is okay. You can just ignore this and just keep holding these two buttons. And you want to keep holding them until the screen shuts down, or until it freezes like that. So you might see like a glitch or something. That is completely fine. Now just wait for the phone to reboot. And unfortunately, it seems that Google Pixel 11 may take some time to fully force restart. I'm not sure why is that the case, but at least in my case, the phone takes a little bit of time to properly fully restart. So you just have to be patient and wait for the phone and let it to power it on by itself. You do not have to press the power button. It won't make any difference. Just wait for the phone to power on. And that's pretty much it. And hopefully after that, the hang problem is going to be solved. Leave a like and subscribe.